Welcome back to Thriveology Today. Here's a quick question. What if you could turn every dollar you spend on Facebook ads into $2, $3, or even $10 in return? Imagine your marketing as a well-oiled machine, every part working in harmony to drive new leads, sales, and growth, all while keeping your costs low and your results sky high. Today we're diving into Facebook Ads Mastery, ROI-driven marketing. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just getting started, you'll learn the secrets to building Facebook ad campaigns that don't just get clicks, they deliver real, measurable results. We'll cover everything: ad strategy, laser-focused targeting, creative that converts, budget hacks, and analytics mastery. So, Thriveology community, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's unlock the playbook for Facebook ad success. Part 1. Ad Strategy Development. Blueprints for Success. Let's kick things off with the foundation, your ad strategy. Think of this as your campaign's blueprint, the difference between building a sandcastle and a skyscraper. Start with clear objectives. Ask yourself, what's the one thing you want your ads to achieve? Is it more website traffic, more leads, or direct sales? Facebook's Ad Manager lets you choose from objectives like awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, or conversions. Pick the one that aligns with your business goal. Imagine you're launching a new online course. Your first campaign might focus on building awareness with video views. Next, you retarget those viewers with a lead magnet, like a free ebook to collect emails. Finally, you run conversion ads to your warmest audience, inviting them to enroll. Multi-format magic. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Successful brands use a mix of ad formats: carousel, video, image, and dynamic ads. Carousel ads can showcase multiple products or tell a story step by step. Video ads capture attention and boost conversions. Shoppers who watch videos are 1.8 times more likely to buy. Dynamic ads let you retarget visitors with products they've already viewed, just like Amazon does. Action steps. Define your campaign goal. Be specific. Map out your customer journey. Cold audience. Warm retargeting. Conversion. Choose 2-3 ad formats to test in your first campaign. Remember, a great Facebook ad strategy is like a GPS. It guides every decision and keeps you on the path to ROI. Part 2. Audience targeting. Laser focus for maximum impact. Now let's talk targeting. Imagine you're a chef in a massive food court. You wouldn't try to serve everyone, just the people hungry for what you offer. That's the power of precise audience targeting on Facebook. Detailed targeting. Facebook lets you target by demographics, interests, and behaviors. Want to reach new moms who love yoga and live in Mumbai? You can. Selling vintage games. Target users with upcoming birthdays who also love retro gaming. Custom audiences. Upload your email list or use the Meta Pixel to retarget website visitors. Segment your audience by their engagement. People who watched your video, clicked your link, or added to cart but didn't buy. This is like rolling out the red carpet for your warmest prospects. Lookalike audiences. Want to scale? Create lookalike audiences based on your best customers. Facebook's algorithm finds people with similar traits, multiplying your reach to high-potential buyers. A fitness studio used detailed targeting to reach local women interested in wellness. Then, they built a custom audience of everyone who visited their website in the past 30 days. Finally, they created a lookalike audience to reach new prospects, just like their best clients. The result? Their class bookings doubled in a month. Action steps. Start with detailed targeting, layer demographics, interests, and behaviors. Set up the Meta Pixel on your site for retargeting. Build lookalike audiences from your best customers or email subscribers. Targeting is your campaign's compass. Point it at the right audience, and you'll never get lost in the digital crowd. Part 3. Creative optimization. Content that converts. Let's face it, on Facebook you've got seconds to stop the scroll. Your creative is your first impression. Make it count. The power of testing. Test different combinations of images, headlines, and copy. Start by testing images first, then headlines, then add copy. Even a small tweak, a brighter photo, a punchier headline can slash your costs and boost your results. Video and modular hooks. Video ads are king for engagement. Start with a strong hook in the first 3 seconds. Ask a question, show a bold claim, or spark curiosity. Try modular hooks. Record several attention-grabbing intros and swap them in to see which performs best. User-generated content. UGC. UGC is gold. Ask customers to share photos or videos using your product. It's authentic, relatable, and builds trust fast. Carousel and dynamic ads. Use carousel ads to tell a story or showcase multiple products. Dynamic ads personalize content based on what users viewed on your site. Think of it as digital window shopping that follows them home. a B2B company tested 3 ad images, one with a product photo, one with a customer testimonial, and one with a bold graphic. The testimonial image outperformed the others, cutting their cost per click in half. Small tweaks, big wins. Action steps: test at least 3 images and 2 headlines per ad set. Use video with multiple hooks. Refresh content regularly. Collect and use UGC for authenticity. Always review your data. Double down on what works, cut what doesn't. Think of your creative as your storefront window. Make it so compelling, people can't help but come inside. Part 4. Budget management. Maximizing every dollar. A great campaign isn't just about spending money. It's about spending smart. Here's how to make every dollar work harder for you. Set your budget wisely. Decide if you'll set your budget at the campaign or ad set level. Campaign budget optimization, CBO, lets Facebook's algorithm distribute your budget to the best performing ad sets automatically. This is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to simplify management. How much should you spend? A good rule of thumb: start with 5 to 15% of your expected revenue. If you're new, start small, $5 to $20 per day, and scale up as you see results. Bid strategies. Choose between lowest cost, let Facebook get you the most results for your budget, or cost cap. Set a max you're willing to pay per result. For most, lowest cost is a safe starting point. Monitor, adjust, and scale. Check your campaigns daily. If an ad set is crushing it, add more budget. If something's flopping, pause it and try a new angle. Remember, small improvements in click-through and conversion rates can make a huge difference in ROI over time. An e-commerce brand used CBO and let Facebook's algorithm allocate budget. They noticed one ad set was driving 80% of sales. By shifting more budget there, they doubled their ROI in 2 weeks. Action steps. Set your daily or lifetime budget based on your goals. Start with CBO for simplicity or ad set budgets for more control. Monitor results daily. Scale winners, pause losers. Your budget is your campaign's fuel. Use it wisely and you'll go further, faster. Part 5. Analytics mastery. Tracking and optimizing for ROI. You can't improve what you don't measure. Analytics is where good campaigns become great and where you unlock true ROI. Track the right metrics. Focus on metrics that matter. Cost per result, click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Don't get distracted by vanity metrics. Likes and shares are nice, but sales and leads pay the bills. ROI calculation. To track ROI, match your Facebook ad spend to revenue generated. Export your ad data, combine it with your sales or lead data, and calculate your true return. For example, if you spent $500 and generated $2,000 in sales, your ROI is 300%. Custom reporting. Use Facebook's breakdowns to see which age, gender, or placement is performing best. Double down on what's working, whether it's mobile versus desktop, Instagram versus Facebook, or a specific demographic. Retargeting and segmentation. Segment your website visitors by engagement, low, medium, and high. Push these groups into custom retargeting campaigns for even better results. Real-world example. A SaaS company tracked every lead from Facebook through their sales pipeline. By matching ad spend to closed deals, they discovered one campaign had a 5x ROI, while another was barely breaking even. They shifted budget to the winner and scaled fast. Action steps. Set up conversion tracking with the Meta Pixel. Export your ad and sales data monthly. Calculate your ROI and ROAS. Use Facebook's reporting tools to find your top performing segments. Continuously test, learn, and optimize. Analytics is your campaign's dashboard. Keep your eyes on the right gauges, and you'll always know where to steer. Let's recap. To master Facebook ads and drive real ROI, you need a solid strategy, laser-focused targeting, scroll-stopping creative, smart budget management, and relentless analytics. Here's your challenge. This week, launch a test campaign using what you've learned today. Start small, track your results, and share your biggest takeaway in the comments below. What will you test first? New creative, tighter targeting, or a smarter budget? If you found value in this episode, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone ready to level up their marketing. Thriveology community, remember, your next breakthrough is just one campaign away. Keep thriving and never stop growing. See you next time on Thriveology Today.